Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you the real thing.
I was going to say, I think this is the first Coca-Cola product we've featured on this channel, but it's not. We had back in the day one of the old Coca-Cola Sovereigns up for auction. So this is not the first time, but it's the first time we've had a release like this from Coca-Cola. So it's cool to see. We got to get that shot. Like the box of bottles or something.
That is very cool. So they have released the Coke Bullion Round, almost called it a Bullion. The Coke Round and a Coke Bar. Which, even though I'm not a Coke drinker, I'm actually really looking forward to these. I saw them when I was overseas, and I was keen on getting them in. So I'm glad they finally landed.
I don't know if this video is going to get flagged now that we're talking about bars of Coke, but
could be an issue.
Could be an issue. But no, very, very excited to see these, fully licensed, all that good stuff. And you know, Coke do a lot of like merchandise and stuff like that. So it's surprised me that they haven't done more of this kind of stuff. But it's very cool to see it.
Yeah, these are unreal. Love these. So they come out of the tube like that. The only problem I have with them, and you can even kind of see it there, is because it's such a mirrored finish surface that it shows everything. But gee, that pops out, doesn't it? They enjoy Coca-Cola.
So you can literally see your face hiding in the reflection there.
And then over the page, they've done 3 of the iconic bottles. I love this design. It is so simple. It's so classic Coke. The only issue I have, and like I said just a moment ago, is that and I think they've done it correctly, but they've used so much mirrored finish that you've really got to be careful with these things because they will show up any blemish at all. But a great round, and I'm really pleased that they've produced them. And they've done it, for a major corporation, I would say they've done it fairly respectfully and tastefully. They haven't gone all gaudy, which I was, like I said, these are really simple and good fun.
Yeah, like I said before, they do have that experience with lots of different products. I think it's a bit tried and tested. I think they know what works and what doesn't.
They certainly do. Then you've got the 10-ounce bar. So this is a 1-ounce round, all in silver, 10-ounce bar, and they come in these groovy
I love that bag. That is cool. Although I think I did see there's no kind of capsule or whatever with these ones.
No, there's not.
You kind of get it in that bag, but that's about as
protective
as they get.
And again, it's a similar sort of thing as the round. So you've got the Enjoy Coca-Cola with all that that mirrored finish there, but doesn't it make the frosting pop? So that looks really good. And then on the other side, you've got the iconic Coke bottle
with "I'd like to buy the world a Coke," and the details there about the bottom on the bottom, 10 ounces fine silver.
So look, a huge big tick from us. I think they are fantastic. Now, positives and negatives on this one. We don't have gazillions of them. They didn't release that many of them, but we do have them. You've really got to grab the 1-ounce ones, particularly while they're in stock, because we can't get any more once they're done. I won't say we will never get them again, but I'll be pretty surprised if we ever get them again. The 10-ounce one, the 10-ounce bar, is incredibly limited, and it is on pre-order. So you're going to see when you get to our website that the 10-ounce is pre-order. Expect deliveries, I'm guessing, somewhere around about mid-December. And if it's not here by mid-December, it will roll into the new year because everything shuts down after about this 16th, 17th, 18th of December. Both the couriers, customs, all that sort of stuff. Very difficult to get stuff in until the new year. So expect a delay with these 10-ounce bars. Don't contact me 24 hours later saying, where's my bar? It's not going to happen. So expect them to be either mid to late December or even early into the new year with the 10-ounce ones. And again, we've only got a very limited allocation on the 10-ounce, so grab them while you can. If they're in your wheelhouse, don't think I'll get them after Christmas when I've got some money and I've sorted out all the kids' Christmas presents. They ain't going to be there, I will guarantee you that.
Yeah, it's an interesting one to see because I actually don't think they have a set limited mintage to them, but I think they are kind of getting snapped up, and so the production is just not keeping up with them. So we've seen that where even though there's no set mintage, we're just not able to get any more of them. So
there's very much a production limit on these things.
Yeah, I also don't know. We haven't really spoken about it, and I'm hoping it's okay to talk about. There's been a few other times where we've tried to get some other Coke products in, but it's actually something that can be quite difficult to do with licensing and things like that for Australia. So this is actually really exciting. Hopefully it's the start of some other cool products, but yeah, we will wait and see on that front.
That's exactly right. Sounds good. Anything else, Rubes?
I don't think so. Links will be down in the description. Pre-orders available while stocks last, and we will see you in the next one.
Once they're done, they're done.
That's it.
All right.
If it says out of stock, that's it. That we are drawing a line under it there.
Yeah.
Thanks very much, Michael. We will see you in the next video.
Sounds good. See you soon.